right. Week 12. Distributive property. Homework. Be aware, Mariano. Your homework is just front only, so please only do the front side of your homework. All right. Let's begin. Okay, notebooks, let's write this down. iPads off.
Wait, what's the chapter for
Okay, does anybody remember from 6th grade? There are some teachers that taught distributive property. Does anybody remember distributive property from 6th grade?
Yes.
I'm even.
Maybe do you remember anything you can tell us about distributive property?
No, it was a big one.
Okay. Come on.
Yes, property.
All right. Now, question. What does distribute mean in English outside of math?
Destroy?
No, distribute.
Disassemble.
Put them in order. Okay. So, in regular outside of math, what does distribute mean?
Oh, talk.
Distribute.
Wait.
Okay. So, distribute in regular English, outside of math. Distribute means to give out. So, not separate. So, for Halloween, we distribute candy. For Christmas, we distribute gifts and presents, right? At the end of the period, Miss Somelli will distribute homework. Okay? So, distribute means to give out to everybody. Okay? So, Christmas, you distribute presents, gifts. Halloween, we distribute candy, right? Thanksgiving?
Turkey.
Okay, we distribute turkey. Got it. All right. Corn, hot dogs, hamburgers, fireworks. Okay. All right, Andrew, so we're in learning mode here. Distribute. So, we are going to give out, we're going to distribute something to these numbers. So, do you see this number outside?
Yeah.
Okay. We're going to give it to everybody inside the parentheses. So the 5 is outside, and we're going to give a 5 to everybody inside. So,
Wait.
so everybody gets a 5 using multiplication. Yes. Yep. So we're going to go 5 times, that means times, x plus 5 times 2. So everybody, Edward, we're paying attention, we're learning. Everybody gets a 5. It's like everybody gets homework, right? Easiest part. What's 5 times 2? 5 times 2? 10. So this gives me 10. Plus, what's 5 times x? Andrew, wait. We don't know. So, what is 5 times x?
5.
Say it one more time. X. You're missing something.
5x.
5 times 5 plus 5.
Do we know what x is?
5.
X to the power of 5.
So what is 5 times x equal to?
X.
25.
5 to the power of
Do you know what x is?
X
to the
is
power of
infinite.
5.
It's anything.
It's anything.
It's a shapeshifter.
It could be a negative number, it could be a decimal, it could be a fraction, anything. Okay, So 5 times x is 5x.
I think you just said
Well, that's why I asked you to say it one more time, but you left out the.
Yeah,
All right, so Jaden put that down because it's just obviously distracting Marley. Okay, 5 times x is 5x, and this is just said. We say this as just 5x. We squish it together. When it's squished together, it really means 5 times x. But we don't write the multiplication. We just squish it together.
15x.
No.
It's not?
That's okay. Can I put these two together?
no.
No. This one does not have an x. We don't know what x is. 5x is like having 5 Jolly Ranchers in my hand. But, shh, listen. Do you know what color the Jolly Ranchers are?
Yeah, green.
So therefore, you do not know what x is. Because you don't know what colors I have in my hand. But I have 5 of them. Then the 10 is like money. It's like I have $10. Can I put it together and say that I have $15? No. Can I put it together and say I have 15 X's? No. I have, Chris, $10. So this is just like money. If it's all by itself, it's like money. And the 5X is like Jolly Ranchers in my hand. I don't know what color they are, so they remain a mystery, an X, an unknown number. Do not just put a number that you feel, oh, X is 5, X is 2. No, you can't guess. Okay? It stays as a variable. So, ladies and gentlemen, this is my final answer. No. 5x plus 10. 5x plus 10. Your answers will look like problems. Your answers will look like problems. All right, did everybody write that down as your answer?
Yes.
All right. Okay. What are we distributing? 8. Whatever number is outside the parentheses, we have to give to everything inside by multiplying, Edward. So we're going to multiply this by this and this by that. So 8 times, what's this number? 4. Bring down your plus sign. 8 times what? M. Don't forget to give something to the last number. Give something to the last number. All right, what's 8 times 4? Very good. 32 plus what's 8 times M? Very good. You just put them together. You squish them together. Can I put these two together? No. This is like $32 and this is like 8 M&Ms. Can I put them together? No. I'm not saying that 8 M&Ms is $32. It's what I have in my pocket. $32 and 8 M&Ms. That's what I have. I can't put them together. They're not the same thing, so we just leave it alone. That is our answer. All right, try doing this one before I do. That is a Y. All right, try it out. Try doing this before I do. See what we just did before. Do it again.
Uh-oh.
It's a Y. Yeah. All right. Who wants to raise your hand and tell me their final answer? Leandro? Yep. Technically, it's a Y. It's a Y. 4 times 3 plus 4 times Y. $12 plus 4Y. We okay? Ruben?
They're like can't do them capitalized?
Capitalized in math actually means something different. So they're usually lowercase. They're usually lowercase. All right. Ooh, what if? What if there's a minus?
Oh, I got this.
I don't
It's
got
gonna be
that.
negative answer.
The minus.
Yes, it's gonna be
Is
negative.
that
We don't have to do a keep change opposite. So, what number are we giving out to everybody?
10. So that's 30.
10 times G minus 10 times 3.
30.
So everybody gets a 10. Everybody gets a 10. Then we're going to multiply it. What's 10 times G?
10G.
10G minus. So if it's a minus, just bring it straight down. If it's a minus, just bring it straight down. What's 10 times 3?
30.
That's it. So if it's a minus, just keep it a minus. If it's a minus, just keep it a minus. Nothing else changes. You're still multiplying. All right. Yeah. All right, level 5,000.
Oh,
I'm kidding.
5,000.
My name is Igor. Level-
What number is everyone getting? 2. Now there's a lot of trick-or-treaters. Let's pretend we're going trick-or-treating. All of these kids that knock on this door. And they all get 2 pieces of candy. So you get 2, and don't forget about the kid all the way in the back. You get 2. Now this is all multiplication. So 2 times what? 3n. Plus 2 times what? 5. Plus 2 times what? W. Good. So everybody gets a 2. Yeah, looks good. What is 2 times 3n? 6 n. Very good.
Oh, I thought it was 6 and then 10.
Oh, because it has an n, so we're going to still keep the n. So this would be 6n. Plus 2 times 5? 10. Plus 2w? 2, oh, sorry. Because it's 2, the number outside is what you give everyone. And I already have a 3n. So I'm going to multiply 2 times 3.
2n times 3n. 6n.
No, you would have an exponent. Because if you multiply a letter times a letter, if it's the same letter, we go into exponents. Which is very 8th grade. Okay, level 1001. Yep. What number am I giving everyone? Negative 5. It kind of seems like I'm going to take away the candy from the negative. So you knock and I know I steal your candy.
I go buy more.
Okay. What, you're buying it?
What if you don't have the money?
My mom's more.
Bro, my pencil broke.
Ain't no way, bro. All that for that. All that. All that for what?
Seriously. Okay. Negative 5 times x plus negative 5 times 10. So everyone gets a negative 5. Okay, Mariano? definitely gonna need the superhero Dorito Man. Okay. What's negative 5 times x? So, a negative times a positive will end up with negative. Now, for second period, when I was helping them grade their papers, a lot of them forgot to write that negative on that second part. Ooh. So be very careful that this one, because it's a negative times a positive, you still write the negative. Please be careful. All right. Let's try one more. By one more, I mean 5 more.
Okay.
All right. So, Javier, everyone gets negative 6. Everybody gets a negative 6.
So we take away candy or what?
Yeah, we take away even more candy at this house. So, negative 6 times what? X. See, it's all together. Plus, what? Negative 6 times 4. So, everybody got a negative 6, right? Everybody got a negative 6. Everybody got a negative 6. Dorito Man? So, we have 2 negatives here. 2 negatives make what? Positive. So, we get positive 18x plus negative 24. A negative times a positive gives you a negative. You will be using a Dorito Man for your classwork, so make sure we are using Dorito Man. All right. Level 500. We're making it easier.
Wait, that's the opposite, right? That's a pencil.
Exactly. It's on the other side.
Is it still the same?
It's still the same. What number are we going to give out to everybody? 7. So even though it's on the back, we're still giving it out to everybody. It's like those houses that have 2 houses on one lot, the back house and the front house. So this house is in the back. We're still going to give everyone a 7. A lots of candy, 7 pieces.
Ooh.
That's the tricky part. It's backwards. It's in the back. Okay, Andrew, let's write down your answer and tell me what you wrote down. Okay, tell me what you got.
7x plus 54.
Ooh.
56. Pretty tough.
I didn't want to try this.
All right. 7 times x is 7x. 7 times 8, 56. That's it. Okay, level 501.
Are we going to? Yeah.
Oh, what the, bro? The M is outside now.
I'm just putting 2.
Yes, the variable's outside. So what is everyone going to get?
No.
M.
So we give them M&M's.
So do we put an X and 2?
Okay, everybody gets an M. Everybody gets an M. You get an M, and you get an M. So, 2 times M plus M times X, or X times M.
I know.
No, you don't.
2M. plus M.
Very good. So what do I do with these variables? You just squish them together. Because when you squish them together, it means multiplication. I don't need a dot. I don't need the multiplication symbol. I had a kid ask me which letter comes first. We try to put it in ABC order. So M comes before X in the alphabet.
Oh.
So we write it down like that.
I put M and X.
That, Andrew, that's okay in 7th grade as we go on. In 8th grade and in high school, your teacher is going to expect that you write it in alphabetical order. Since we are just starting, we're going to slowly make sure that you do that. Do I expect that today on the very first assignment?
Yes.
Oh,
I mean,
okay, sure.
No.
All right, Chris. Sebastian with an extra.
Yeah, I think you give it to the person who said that. Yo, we got homework too. And why do we have so many extra?
Which one? This one is?
Oh, they go by pretty quick. How long does this take you? 2 seconds, right?
Actually, 2 minutes.
Wow. All right. Cuando termine. Yo no termino. Okay. Number 1 and number 2 are done. They're examples for you to see. Okay, number 3. So everybody focus your attention on number 3. Si hay, nomás con nosotras. Ahí, ajá. Yeah. Dos, ahí son extras. Okay, so number 3. What number do I distribute? 4. So everybody gets a 4. Right? We multiply. 4 times 8 minus 4 times what? Nope. Times what? 4 times what? What is it? 2x. Okay, what's 4 times 8? If you need your multiplication table, please have that out. What is it? 4 times 8?
32.
Take it out. You're going to need it for this whole paper. What's 4 times 2x?
AI.
AI is insane.
Okay. So, Andrew, we take whatever number's outside, we give it to everybody inside by multiplication. Then we simplify it. And then our answers are going to look like problems, like you're not done. All right?